In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a group in Monday.com quickly and safely. Whether you're cleaning up an old project board, removing completed tasks, or reorganizing your workflow, knowing how to properly delete a group is essential. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you don't accidentally remove the wrong data. And just a quick reminder, deleting a group removes all the items inside it, so you want to be absolutely sure before confirming. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the board where your group is located. Start by going to your Monday.com workspace. This is the main area where all your boards are stored. Once you're inside the correct workspace, look through your list of boards and click on the specific board that contains the group you want to delete. Make sure you're opening the correct board, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Once the board loads, you'll see your different groups organized vertically, typically labeled with names like To Do, In Progress, Completed, or any custom group names your team has created. Next, you need to locate the specific group you want to remove. Scroll through your board until you find the group title. Groups are the sections that organize your items, and each group contains multiple rows or tasks underneath it. Take a moment to double-check that you've found the correct group. Since deleting a group will permanently remove all items inside it, this is a good time to confirm that you no longer need any of the tasks within that section. If there's important information inside the group, consider moving those items to another group before proceeding. Once you've found the correct group, the next step is to open the group menu. To do this, hover your mouse over the group title. When you hover over it, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon appear. Depending on your layout, it may appear to the left or the right of the group name. Click on that three-dot menu. This will open a drop-down menu with several options that allow you to manage the group, such as renaming it, duplicating it, moving it, archiving it, or deleting it. Now it's time to delete the group. Inside the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Delete. Click on Delete. As soon as you do this, Monday.com will display a confirmation pop-up. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. The pop-up will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the entire group. Remember, this action removes the group and all items within it. That means every task, update, file attachment, and piece of data inside that group will be removed. If you are absolutely sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the group will immediately disappear from your board. And that's it. The group has now been successfully deleted from your Monday.com board. If you accidentally deleted the wrong group, you may be able to restore it using the board's activity log or by contacting your account admin, but it's always best to double-check before confirming deletion. As a quick recap, open the correct workspace, click into your board, scroll to find the group, click the three-dot menu next to the group title, choose Delete, and confirm the action. That's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Monday.com tips and step-by-step tutorials. I post easy-to-follow software guides that help you save time and stay productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.